Welcome to my channel, where we believe in bringing you the best of dental care information. Let's start by understanding the importance of a tooth and its structure. Each tooth consists of several layers, with a hard outer layer called enamel protecting the sensitive inner pulp. Deep inside the tooth lies the pulp chamber, which contains nerves, blood vessels, and connective tissues. When the pulp becomes infected due to decay or injury, it can cause excruciating pain. When bacteria penetrate the tooth, they can cause an infection, resulting in inflammation and pressure buildup within the pulp chamber. This is when a root canal treatment becomes necessary. Step 1. Accessing the pulp chamber. Our skilled dentist will gently create an opening on the top surface of the infected tooth, providing access to the pulp chamber. Step 2. Cleaning and shaping the canals. Using tiny files and 3D guided precision, the dentist carefully removes the infected pulp, thoroughly cleaning and shaping the root canals. Step 3. Filling the canals. Once the canals are clean and shaped, a biocompatible material, usually gutta percha, is used to fill and seal them, preventing any future infection. Step 4. Restoring the tooth with dental cement. If needed, your dentist may also place extra support to the teeth with the help of a post. There are a wide range of dental cements. The dental cements prevents any contaminants from entering the tooth. Step 5. Finally, your dentist will cover the tooth with a crown to help protect it. Dental crown serves essential functions after a root canal treatment, including protection, support, and aesthetics, ensuring that the treated tooth remains healthy and fully functional for years to come.